Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to plan a trip on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application. So you can write your destination at the search bar or just select it at the maps. And you can save your location or you can save the road. So if you want to save this location, what is your destination, you need to select it like I did just right now. Then scroll down and you can or pin it or you can click at this star icon. So let's pin it and also click at the star icon. If you click on it, we will add it to the favorite. So we need to give it a name. Let's call it test and save. And let's pin it. Can I? No. Okay. Let's pin another location. Let's say this one. So just scroll down when you select it and click at the pin. Then click at the profile icon at the right side and click at the places. If you click at the star icon, you can find this location at the guides. Right here we have favorites and this location. We can also remove it if you don't need it. If you pin your location in the places, you can find it in the pinned. Next, if you want to save the road, I will show it later. So firstly, let's write some destination. Okay, let's say this one. You need to select mode, so you will move with a car or walking or public transport or cycling. Then you can change your location. So right now it is my location, but let's say I don't need it and I want to select something else. And this is my start location. If you use the car, you can also add stops. And then you need to click at the go. Then, so right here we have the road. Okay, let me change it. So usually you will have this menu. When you add the stops, you can click at the go. And now we have all this road. You can share ATA. Also for the car you can add stops. Then also I said that we can save the road. So when you select some location, let me select some different location, let's say this one, you need to click at the three dots at the right, no, at the middle bottom, and click at the create custom road. Now select your road. So let's say I want to add some stops here. Okay, and let's say this is my custom road. Then you can click at the save road or directions, but I need to save it. Let's give it a name. Again, let's call it test and click at the check mark. You can find this road if you click at the profile icon at the right side, go to the places, and right here in the roads we have this custom road. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.